Welcome to the General Maths for Graduates. Today we'll see the proof of Cauchy's inequality. So let's start. A statement of Cauchy's inequality is if f of z is analytic on and within a circle C given by mod of z minus z0 equals to r, and if the function is bounded by m, that is mod of f of z is less than equals to m, then Cauchy inequality states that mod of fn of z is less than equals to m factorial n over r raised to power n. Okay, now let's come to the proof. We know that Cauchy's integral formula for higher order derivative is f and z0, this equals to factorial n over 2 pi iota integration of function f of z over z minus z0 raised to power n plus 1 dz. Okay, now taking modulus both sides. So we have modulus of f and z0, this equals to factorial n over modulus of 2 pi iota will be 2 pi, and modulus of integration c f of z over z minus z0 raised to power n plus 1 dz. This can be calculated by using ML inequality. Okay, now let's calculate. So we have modulus of integration of function f of z over z minus z0 raised to power n plus 1 in circle C. This will be less than equals to maximum value of this function, okay, into length of the circle. Okay, now let's find the maximum value of this function. Okay, so let's find modulus of function f of z over z minus z0 raised to power n plus 1. This will be modulus of function f of z over modulus of z minus z0 raised to power n plus 1. Okay, so we know that modulus of f of z is less than equals to m, so this will be less than equals to m over z minus z0 equals to r, so this will be r raised to power n plus 1. Okay, okay, now let's substitute this value here. Okay, so using ML inequality, this will be m over r raised to power n plus 1 into length of the circle, so it will be equals to circumference of the circle, which will be 2 pi r. Okay, so after solving we'll have 2 pi m over r raised to power n. Okay, now let's substitute this value into this equation. Okay, so after substituting we'll have modulus of f and z0, this will be less than equals to factorial n over 2 pi into 2 pi m over r raised to power n. Okay, you can see this 2 pi cancels out, so we'll have m factorial n over r raised to power n. Okay, and this is Cauchy's inequality. Okay, now let's see a problem based on this concept. In this question we are given a function which is analytic throughout the circle mod of z minus 2 equals to 3, and function f of z is bounded by 2. Then we have to find the maximum value of this f for 2. Okay, now let's find. So it is given that function f of z is bounded by 2. Okay, So here m is 2. Okay, and circle is mod of z minus 2 equals to 3, so radius r is 3. And we have to find what? F for 2. So here n is 4. So we have n equals to 4. Now let's use Cauchy's inequality and find the required value. So we have f for 2, this will be less than equals to m is 2, factorial n is 4, so we have factorial 4 over r raised to power n, so 3 raised to power 4. So after solving we'll get 48 over 81. And this is the required answer. Now this video ends here, and I have a quick announcement to make. Those students who are preparing for exams like CSR Net, GATE and other MSc entrance examination can buy our complex analysis handwritten notes for a very reasonable price for only ₹50. This notes contains lots of problems and concepts. So if you are interested, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thanks for watching.